following training is sponsored by the Niagara Library System. We serve our member libraries in Niagara, Orleans, and Genesee counties. Please visit your local library homepage and use your library card to get access to streaming videos, downloadable music, audiobooks, ebooks, and even more from the comfort of your own home. Thank you.
Hello, good to see everybody today. I was literally open up the browser and up pops this Get Pocket. It's when I open Firefox, it pops up with this information, and these are stories just from around the web, and they can be advertisements, they can be almost anything, okay? And they're recommended by this Get Pocket service, and to be honest, I have never really thought about it. So you know what I'm going to do? I am going to go and put a search in the bar, and I'm going to say, what is Get Pocket? When I search for this, now my default search engine is DuckDuckGo. You can use Google, you can use Yahoo, Bing, whatever your preferred search engine is. And I literally typed in what is Get Pocket, and Get Pocket I put as one word because that's how it is on the website. You can see here the very first link is getpocket.com. Okay. And the second link says what is Pocket support. Okay, I'm going to click on that one. And it says right here, it's a free service, makes it easy to discover great content, personalized to your interests if you like it. And here's how to get the most out of Pocket. You can install Pocket on your devices and add the Pocket button to your browser. And you can, if you want to create an account, you can save things in your Pocket, I guess. All right. And discover new recommendations, and you can save them for later. So I have never done any of this at all. I have just used Pocket. It is the landing page for Firefox. As I'm poking around, looking at more and more things on Pocket, and I was trying to think, I don't remember doing anything specifically to actually put Pocket on the new tab on Firefox. And it turns out that right here, when you click the Learn More link, it says that Pocket is for Firefox. It is, as it says up in here, Pocket is part of the Firefox family, and it's included inside Firefox. So when I installed Firefox on this computer, I don't know how many years ago, it came along with. And when it comes along with, when literally I open a new tab, so when I open a new tab, you can see it just becomes recommended by Pocket. That's the first thing that pops up, and I never changed it. All of these stories as well keep changing, so even though they popped up very similarly one to another, they'll simply change periodically throughout the day. As I have never done anything like created an account or made any suggestions as to what I actually like, it just gives me this slew of different stories, which actually, that's what I like, because if I get a slew of different stories, or if I say, well, I like this or I like that, then suddenly I'm pigeonholed into one category or another. And with this, it doesn't seem to be the case, because I get all kinds of things. Case in point, that's why I did my video today. Let me back up to the Pocket, the list that I found, and this was 12 gripping true crime reads. Now, I know that a lot of people, like true crime. It's a very popular section, of course. And I thought to myself, oh, well, maybe I can find a different book, or maybe I can look something up and find out. We have here, they've got different titles. This Unholy Act, a great Buenos Aires bank heist, Splash of Red, When Cops Become Robbers, Corpses in the Pigpen, Bicycle Thief, Doting Boyfriend. This is all true crime. And I thought to myself, oh, well, this looks kind of interesting. What, the doting boyfriend who robbed armored cars. Now, being a librarian, I just thought, oh, well, maybe this was, these are books. Okay, true crime reads. I jumped immediately to book. So I, of course, go over to our website and I went and I looked here, for example. So let me pull this up. So I go to niagara.org. And what was the title of that? The Doting Boyfriend Who Robbed Armored Cars. All right. I'm going to skip the word the. And again, I thought these were originally titles of like books. So Doting Boyfriend Who Robbed Armored Cars. I'm going to click search. And I got no results found. Okay. So I tried another one and I got no results found. And I tried another and I went, So it finally occurred to me, so there's no results. These are not books. Let me go back here. It finally occurred to me to actually go ahead and click on one of them. And this one caught my eye, a splash of red. When a mystery writer moves into a new apartment that seems too good to be true, he slowly unravels its grisly history. So I go ahead and click on it. This is the actual reading. So it's basically, it's like an essay, it's a short story. And all of these, 12 now, so I went and I looked at different ones, were all what would be essays or short stories, and they are literally reading that they are giving you for free. And I thought, oh, wow, well that's kind of cool. So, but this one, a mystery writer, and I thought, Gabriel Cohen, have I heard that name before? And naturally, I have to go back to our catalog to take a look. And I typed in here Gabriel Cohen's name. I searched, and there were 11 results found. But it turns out that things like when we do a search, even for a name or whatnot on the catalog, it searches here in all the libraries, and it searches in all the fields. What does that mean? Well, if we click our little down arrow, we can search by title, author, keyword in our author headings, subject headings, or if you know the International Serial Book Number, you can do by the ISBN as well. Well, when we just do a basic search, I did a basic search for Gabriel Cohen, searches all those fields, and it brings up everything that has the words Gabriel and Cohen in it, not necessarily just the writer. But it turns out, now again, I immediately then look over here to limit my search results, and I would look to limit by format, which is books. So when I click on books, that very first result, which is the book called The Ninth Step, is the book that we do happen to have by Gabriel Cohen. And the Lewiston Library has it. Hello, Lewiston. And we have a nice summary here. And it says that Gabriel Cohen is the author of 6 books, including the Edgar Award finalist Red Hook. So I can certainly, of course, if I'm now interested, my curiosity is piqued, I can, of course, place a hold for the book. So what do? We click our little blue place a hold button right here. We'll type in our library card number and PIN, and I'll be right back. And when I go to place a hold, immediately my home library will be highlighted, and I can click place the holds. Hi, Virgin, good to see you. And the book will then go all the way from Lewiston, the Lewiston Public Library, all the way over to Bergen. And I will get a call or an email that says that it's ready to be picked up. And I don't have to drive all the way from one place to another. I can go and pick up my book, and maybe I've discovered a new author I might like. I thought it was pretty cool. I hope you found it interesting. I, of course, do, because I like these, which is why I make the videos on them. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.